Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this amazing poster design in Canva in just a few minutes. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. So for what we're going to do is just open up a blank poster design. We're going to insert one image of whatever the person you want to use. So just put your image on it, and the next thing we have to do is just crop it like this. Next, what we're going to do is just put it like this. Also, we're gonna insert a text box. We're gonna change its font and increase its size. Now let's put it right here. We're just going to duplicate this picture and remove this background, put it onto the front. Then what we're going to do is duplicate the text box, put it on front. We're going to just give it this. We're just going to give it like effects of hollow. Then we're going to give a gradient just below it here. Here we go. The next thing we're gonna do is just put our more text, and we're gonna just put the content text and title text. Here we go. Then we're gonna just put our text and change its font to, we're just gonna change the font. Here we go. Then what we're gonna do is just add more text like this. We're just gonna give it this effect. Then let's add rectangle frames. We're just gonna add some images after removing the background. And we're gonna change their colors. Here we go. So yeah, this is the final result. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel.